I am a little off.
For over 60 years, Hopman Jewelers has been one of the most trusted names in jewelry in the Michiana region. They are known for their brilliant diamonds, elegant watches, treasured gifts, expert repairs, and custom designs. Today is National Watch Day, so we had to celebrate with the region's finest. Good morning, Lauren and Kenny. It's Justin.
Good morning.
Happy National Watch Day. I brought my own. You brought some on the table. This is fantastic. What a day to celebrate. Yes. What makes Hopman Jewelers so special? You guys have been around since 1960, Lauren.
Correct. So our customer service, I would say, makes us very special. We like to call ourselves the Disney World of jewelry stores. So as people come through the door, we greet them with a smile. Hello, how are you today? Treat every customer the same, and we deal with every scenario kind of the same, treat things equally.
What are some services within Hopman Jewelers that you guys offer, Kenny?
So we offer a wide variety of things, from our repair, from our custom design. I mean, it truly, really makes an impact to our store is our repairs. I mean, it really brings people in to show them what we have, you know.
How does the custom design work? Like, what's the dialogue process? Like, what are they designing? Rings, watches? Like,
typical engagement.
Okay.
So you'll first come in. Our first lead to custom design is engagement. That's the first thing we come in is custom wedding bands, the custom dream ring, if you will.
Oh, yeah. And how many varieties of watches do you guys have within Hopman Jewelers?
So we have our Citizen watches, which is our staple of watches. We've through the years we've had several different brands, but we've always been back to Citizen. They are eco drive, so they do not take a battery, which is awesome. They run by light, and if you put them in a drawer for 6 months, they'll hold that charge, so you don't ever have to worry about replacing that battery. We also recently inquired on the previously owned Rolexes.
Wow.
So in high-end watches.
What makes the perfect engagement ring? You know, it's wedding season right now. It's the summer. People are getting married. You guys have the finest jewelry in the area. What would you tell somebody looking for their significant other about a great engagement ring?
Truly is our distributor, Gabriel & Co. Truly, they do all the CAD designs for us. They tailor the engagement ring specifically to the client, which is amazing. So whatever attributes you want in your ring, we can do it with them.
In terms of repairs, hopefully the jewelry never breaks, but
Never.
Look, we're all human, things happen. What's the repairs process like?
So we have an on-site jeweler that we take in the item. We overlook it, see what needs to be done. Our jeweler looks at it as well. We determine if there's additional work that needs to be done, call you with an estimate. Everything's done in-house and in a timely manner.
How has jewelry evolved over the years since Hopman opened up in 1960? I feel like things are getting bigger, bolder, brighter, and better here, Kenny and Lauren, right?
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely more customizable. It used to be when I started back in 2005 that the man just came in and picked out the engagement ring. Now the women is a lot more involved. Pinterest, Facebook, all of these social media things feeding these women all of these ideas. And so now it always helps when a guy comes in with a picture and they're like, this is what she wants.
That's a good husband. All right, it is National Watch Day. You brought some beautiful watches. Describe what's on the coffee table right now for us, y'all.
Yeah, so we have our 18-karat yellow gold presidential Rolex. If you want to take that, we can take a look at this buttery, beautiful thing. So this is all factory. A lot of times you'll see where Rolexes kind of like they have a band that maybe didn't come with the watch. It's not factory built. This is all one of a kind.
It's beautiful,
Beautiful.
Great.
It's light, too.
Yes. So
Actually quite hefty.
Oh, it is. It's heavy.
yeah,
okay,
this
it
is
looks
heavy.
like. Yeah, wow, it is. Whoa.
Yellow gold.
No.
you know it's a Rolex
Right,
when it weighs
it's real,
like that.
right? No. And you said the Citizen watches are real popular right now
Yeah,
amongst the new crowd?
Yes, so these are actually very customizable. I do a custom dial for a company where you can put your logo on the dial, the face of the watch. And then you can engrave on the back like 25 years of service.
Oh, these are beautiful.
So yeah, these are beautiful watches in the ballpark of $250 to, I mean, sometimes $600-700, but still very affordable, especially when you don't have to replace that battery. That saves you about $15 to $30 a year, and that adds up as you're, wearing your watch for several years.
Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. What a treat to have Hopman Jewelers on Hometown Living to celebrate National Watch Day. We thank you for your time. You got a beautiful store. We wish you many, many more years of success, and we'll see you next June 19th for the next National Watch Day. Thanks, Lauren. Thanks, Kenny.
Thank you.
For more information on Hopman Jewelers, check out your screen. You can give Lauren and her team a call at 574-293-3632. They're also on Facebook and Instagram.